Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I will show you how you can connect your Huawei AM61 wireless earbuds. So first you have to turn off these earbuds by using this key. When they are turned off, you have to click and hold this button. Let's make it. Keep holding. When the indicator is blinking on the red and the blue color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So let's put them back right here and move to the Bluetooth settings to your smartphone. Enable Bluetooth. And then choose AM61 from the list. Confirm by tapping on the pair. And as you can see right now we are connected. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.